Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and a review of the Relax Home Life full-size body pillow. This is going to be a full-size memory foam body pillow that you can currently get on Amazon for about $70. I'm really excited about this pillow because I've never seen a memory foam version of a body pillow before, and so I'm really curious about the overall size, the fit, the feel, and the memory foam aspect of it. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the packaging, the general features of the pillow, then we'll take it out, show you what it looks like fully inflated, then I'll give you a sense of its overall fit, feel, and comfort level. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Relax Home Life full-size body pillow. This is going to be a memory foam body pillow that you can currently get on Amazon for about $70. I recently received this because I switched over to using a very firm mattress on my bed, and I noticed that when I slept on my side, my knees would come together and be a little bit uncomfortable. And so I thought getting a body pillow like this for my knees would provide an added level of comfort. And so we'll go over the main features of this product. So it's going to be 20 by 54 inches. It's going to be bamboo shredded memory foam. It's good for side, stomach, and pregnant sleepers. On the bottom here, they say that it's got a cool vent technology that promotes 5 times the air circulation to prevent it from getting hot. And that it is going to be a bamboo shredded memory foam that's going to be soft, but it won't flatten out like a down pillow. And then on the side here, they do have some instructions as far as the first time use. So what they recommend is remove it from the packaging and unroll, allow the pillow to fully inflate, and then I actually put it in the dryer for about 10 minutes to fluff it up entirely. And so what we'll do now is we'll take this out of the packaging, show you what it looks like, and get a general sense of its comfort. Okay, so we'll get this pillow opened. I did start it a little bit just to make this easier on camera, but I'm going to be very careful not to cut the actual pillow here when opening it. And so here is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. And so it is basically the full size of my queen bed. It does have a memory foam consistency, but it does definitely have to inflate a little bit. You can tell that it's not really fluffed up. But the casing in general is a very soft material, very thick actually as far as the thickness here. If you open this, it's got a thick casing around it, which is nice, which will be pretty durable from that standpoint. And then actually in here you can actually see the memory foam like filler here. So this is what it looks like. So as this expands, it should expand out and actually take the full size of this. And so what I'll do now is I'm actually going to just throw this into the dryer for about 10 minutes like they say. We'll see how well it inflates, and then we'll test it out once it's fully inflated. Okay, so here's the body pillow after having it in the dryer for about 10 minutes, so it's definitely fluffed up more. I'll say that with the memory foam, or kind of what the filling here is a little bit kind of chunky. It'll probably have to inflate and like conform a little bit more from that standpoint. But it is very fluffy, it is very firm, not too dense as far as a pillow, but we'll try this out as far as laying with it or against it, and so it's pretty comfortable from that standpoint. Definitely allows my knees to space up a little bit more. What I was finding was with this mattress, it was a little bit too firm where my knees would come together like this and it was uncomfortable. So having a body pillow like this, putting my knees like that will prevent the knee pain as well as the hip pain as far as discomfort there. So definitely a good option in that standpoint. And then as far as the size, I have a queen mattress. It goes about the full length as far as the width there. So it's a good fit for there. So if you wanted to use this as a traditional pillow for your head, you can just throw it at the top of the bed with the full-size pillowcase and use it that way as well. So you could either use it as a side sleeper or as a regular pillow and using it like the full length of the bed as well. So this is the Real Home Life memory foam body pillow. You can currently get it on Amazon for about $70. I think that's definitely worth the price when you look at this as compared to traditional pillows because the memory foam is a little bit firmer. firmer and softer at the same time, but it'll conform more to kind of your needs as you go. And in general, I have a couple memory foam pillows, and I definitely like those more than traditional pillows. So if you have questions, comments, post them below. But I'll use this over the upcoming months, try it out, and I'll circle back if I run into any issues and if I have any issues as far as comfort. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.